Hey guys, I don't really use iMovie a lot, but I was playing around with it and found a really quick way that you can actually export a perfectly fit thumbnail for YouTube. So, right when you have iMovie open, you can go and find a video. So, in this case, I'm just going to choose this video and I'm going to drag it onto the timeline. And I'm going to go to a place that I think is really intriguing visually, that I think will make a good thumbnail. And I think that right there looks good. So what I'm gonna do is drag this time head to the spot where I want to make the thumbnail from. And really simple, I'm just gonna go here to this share button and I'm gonna click image. And I can name this whatever I want, thumbnail. And then I'm gonna save it to my desktop. And just like that, you'll see that we have a thumbnail and it has a JPEG right here. So then when you go to upload on YouTube, all you're gonna have to do is get your video. In this case, I'm just using this one for an example. And then you're gonna wanna go down to where it says thumbnail and drag your thumbnail right here to where it says upload. And as you can see, that's exactly how it looked like in our timeline in iMovie. And that's what it's gonna look like as a thumbnail.